Nagkakatipon tayo ngayon hindi para husgahan kung anong klaseng pagsasama ang nagbubuklod kina Miguel at Barbie. Ang pag-ibig, ang tumuldok sa buhay nilang dalawa.
To those who don't know Barbie that much, makulit and napakabungis-ngis po talaga nitong asawa ko. And kapag naubusan po kayo ng sauce mamaya dyan sa siomay, lapit lang po kayo sa kanya, tapos itaktak nyo lang po yung ulo.
My heart is so happy that I am marrying the person that I have been praying for. I still remember when I asked God, if you're going to give me my other half someday, I pray that he is God-centered, family and goal-oriented, devoted, and of course, good-looking.
Pinaka nagustuhan ko kay Barbie is yung pagiging mahalaga niya, pagiging responsible niya. So, nagsama kami sa UK for 6 months. May bakasyon siya doon. Tapos, in that 6 months, parang mas nakilala ko siya.
Thank you! Ang pamboy ng Las Piñas!
Hey!
Dad, ang pamboy ng Dubai! Patrick, ang...
We've been together for 12 years. And in that 6 months, parang mas nabuo yung kung paano ko siya nakilala. Yo!
Childhood friends kasi kami, magkapit-bahay kami sa Baclaran. Tapos, lumipat sila ng Quezon City around year 2008 yata. Tapos, nung bumalik sila sa Baclaran, nakita niya daw ako. Tapos, sabi niya daw, wow, si Barbie ba yun? Sabi niya sa friend niya.
Nagkakilala kami sa street namin kasi halos magkapit-bahay lang po kami. 2 minutes away lang po ang tahanan namin sa isa't isa. And then, niligawan ko siya kasi yung parang yung friend ko na pupunta mamaya, Toto, shout out sa'yo. May nasa kanya yung number, tapos hiningi ko kay Toto yung number ni Barbie, tapos doon kami nagsimula mag-usap.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the rain of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here.
Love, eto na, tapos na. Makakahinga na tayong dalawa, makakapagpahinga na tayo. Ilang linggo rin to. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. And I can't wait to be with you and to live with you for the rest of my life. I love you.
Love was all that we were on. We belong. And though the world will never understand.
Kasi naman, 12 long years na kayo magkasama, parang half of my life, siya na yung naka-witness. Through my ups and downs, siya na talaga. So parang I can't imagine my life without him.
We will be set free. Praying, believe. Close your eyes, dry your tears. 'Cause when nothing
Ganda talaga yan, para sa mama.
from the sea way of
Kinakabahan ka na ba? Wait mo lang ako dyan. Alam mo, after long years, 12 long years, ito na yun. Tagal natin tong inintay, pinagdasal, at pinag-ipunan. So, sana masabi mo at the end of the day, it's all worth it. So, yeah, I can't wait to marry the man that can ride the waves with me. I'll see you later. Bye! Love you.
Kulang po ako. Hindi ko po maisip yung buhay ko or yung sarili ko na wala si Barbie sa tabi ko. Parang akong naputulan ng dalawang paa.
When the light disappears and when this world ends sincere, you'll be safe here when nobody.
To be honest, yun nga. Yung career ko, parang hindi siya career, work pa lang. Ginive up ko just to visit him in the United Kingdom. Tapos pagbalik ko, hindi na ako nag-work, pero nag-business na ako. Ayun, parang masasabi ko na, ayun, kaya ko i-give up yung lahat for him.
Cold night, sleep tight, you'll be safe here when no one understands. I'll believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe here.
To the man who never fails to support and love me, Miguel, thank you so much for choosing me. I love you so much today, always.
Heart in my head, you'll be safe.